If you're tired of complicated affiliate programs that barely pay, this video is for you. Today, I'm showing you affiliate programs where it's easy to bring in sales and you can even get paid just for referring other affiliates. Stick around until the end, because I've got some hidden gems that can help you make some serious money. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get started with affiliate programs that are super easy to promote and that pay real money. Plus, I'll even share how you can make money by getting others to sell for you. Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program. First up is Legendary Marketer, a platform designed to help people start and scale online businesses. One of the best things about their affiliate program is that you get paid to refer new affiliates, not just customers. With commissions that range from $18 to $1,000 per referral, Legendary Marketer's funnel does most of the heavy lifting for you. Imagine earning $1,000 just by referring one person who's interested in learning how to make money online. Legendary Marketer's sales funnel is optimized to convert leads into paying customers without you needing to do any hard selling. Pro tip: one of the best ways to succeed with Legendary Marketer is to leverage their pre-built sales funnels. You don't have to worry about creating your own landing pages or complicated email sequences. They handle that for you. All you need to do is focus on driving traffic to your affiliate link. I recommend using YouTube, TikTok, or even a blog to generate consistent traffic to your referral link. All right? Now let me show you a super easy platform where you can start making money right away. And don't worry, I've put all the links to these platforms in the description so you can get started as soon as this video is over. Make sure to watch until the end because it will get better and better. Fiverr Affiliates Program. Next up is the Fiverr Affiliates Program, which offers one of the easiest ways to earn big commissions. You get a $15 to $150 commission for each first-time buyer who signs up through your link, depending on the service they purchase. And Fiverr is super easy to sell because it's a well-known platform for freelancers, where businesses can find talent at low costs. Think about it. With Fiverr's hybrid model, you're earning immediate cash, plus a percentage of future sales from the same customer for 12 months long. So you keep getting paid without extra work. It's like getting paid a bonus every time someone needs a logo. How many logos do people need these days? Another thing to consider with Fiverr is that you're not limited to promoting just one service. Fiverr offers so many categories: graphic design, SEO, video editing, and more. This means you can tailor your affiliate marketing to multiple audiences. The possibilities are endless because Fiverr serves a wide range of needs. I know someone who made over $1,000 in a single month just promoting Fiverr's video editing services. He created tutorial videos on how to find quality editors on Fiverr, and boom, the commissions started rolling in. Stick with me, because in just a moment I'm going to reveal a method that could double your affiliate commissions without any extra work. Rakuten Advertising. If you want to get paid for referring affiliates to an affiliate network, Rakuten Advertising is one of the best out there. Rakuten has thousands of companies in their network, and when you refer new affiliates to join and make sales, you earn a lifetime commission. This is one of the easiest ways to earn passive income in affiliate marketing, because you don't have to sell any specific product yourself. You're getting paid for empowering others to make sales. With this system, it's like you're getting rich by being everyone's cheerleader. Just give me my money. This is the point where you should clap, but leaving a like will do. Pro tip: what's amazing about Rakuten Advertising is that you can focus on niche markets. You can specialize in promoting just one category, like fashion or electronics, or cast a wider net by referring new affiliates who specialize in different areas. A great way to do this is by starting a blog or YouTube channel dedicated to affiliate marketing tips. And when new affiliates sign up using your referral link, you earn a commission on everything they sell. Think of it this way: if you refer 5 new affiliates and each of them generates $5,000 in sales, You could be earning a percentage from all of that without having to promote a single product yourself. Hang tight, because now I'm going to let you in on a secret strategy that most affiliate marketers overlook, but it's the key to making thousands: Amazon Affiliate Program. Next up is one of the most well-known programs in affiliate marketing, the Amazon Associates Program. Amazon pays you a commission every time someone buys a product through your affiliate link. The great thing is, you don't have to sell just one product. Once someone clicks your link and lands on Amazon, you earn a commission for anything they purchase within 24 hours. Amazon commissions range from 1% to 10%, depending on the category, which means if you can drive traffic to popular products, you can make a solid income. But here's the catch. To become an Amazon affiliate, you'll need a website, blog, YouTube channel, or a big social media account where you can share your affiliate links. You can't just share links randomly. You need a platform. Amazon is easy to sell because everyone uses it. But having your own blog or website is essential to maximizing your earnings. And if you don't have a site yet, don't worry. I've got a solution for you coming up next. If you've got friends who spend too much on Amazon, this is your chance to finally make money off of their shopping habits. One of the keys to making serious money with Amazon affiliates is choosing the right products to promote. While you might only get 1% to 10% per sale, those percentages add up quickly when you target high-ticket items. For example, promoting electronics like cameras or gaming systems can yield a higher payout compared to promoting books or smaller items. Another tip is to focus on seasonal products or hot trends. When products are in high demand, people are more likely to click your affiliate links. Pro tip: to succeed as an Amazon affiliate, you'll want to provide real value in your content. Writing product reviews, creating comparison articles, or making unboxing videos are great ways to get people to click your links. And remember, the more helpful your content, the more trust you'll build with your audience. All right, here's where the secret strategy comes in. This is the move that's going to set you apart from every other affiliate marketer. Boost your Amazon affiliate earnings with ClickFunnels. If you don't have a website or blog to share your Amazon links, you'll need to create one, and that's where ClickFunnels comes in. ClickFunnels is a powerful tool that allows you to create high-converting sales funnels and landing pages. If you're an Amazon affiliate, you can use ClickFunnels to build dedicated landing pages for specific products or niches, which can significantly increase your conversion rates and affiliate earnings. Extra tip: for example, instead of just linking directly to Amazon products, create a high-converting funnel that highlights the benefits of the product, includes testimonials, and offers bonuses. ClickFunnels makes it easy to design these funnels with its drag-and-drop builder. This way, you're not just driving traffic, you're optimizing it to turn visitors into buyers. Example: imagine promoting a top-selling gadget on Amazon. Instead of just sending traffic to the product page, you could build a funnel that includes a compelling review, comparison charts, and even a special bonus for people who purchase through your link. ClickFunnels helps you design and deploy these funnels quickly, allowing you to boost your affiliate commissions. Bonus tip: what's even better is that ClickFunnels offers a high-paying, recurring affiliate program itself. So, as you use ClickFunnels to enhance your Amazon affiliate marketing, you can also earn significant commissions by referring others to ClickFunnels. This dual approach not only increases your Amazon affiliate earnings, but also provides you with a solid income stream from ClickFunnels. And when you get 100 or more affiliates, they will even reimburse you for the lease or purchase payment of your dream car. Bonus: use affiliate networks for double commissions. Here's a bonus tip to maximize your earnings. Instead of sticking to just one affiliate program, you can join affiliate networks like CJ Affiliate, Share a Sale, and Impact. These platforms host multiple affiliate programs. And when you bring in affiliates who make sales across different programs, you get paid double both for the affiliate sign-up and their sales. The great thing about affiliate networks like CJ Affiliate or Share a Sale is that they allow you to work with multiple programs at once. You can join networks that cater to a specific niche, like fashion or health, and promote a range of products. For example, you could be promoting a fitness product from one vendor while promoting workout apparel from another. And the best part? You get paid from both programs when someone buys through your links. Think of it like casting a wide net to catch more commissions. Pro tip: if you're just getting started, I recommend testing out different affiliate programs within these networks to see which ones convert best for you. Once you know what works, you can double down on the most profitable partnerships. I have linked all the platforms in the description, so make sure to check them all out and have a look which one you will try out, or better, choose multiple to maximize your affiliate marketing game. So, there you have it. These are some of the best affiliate programs to make real money, whether you want to sell products or just get paid for referring new affiliates. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you can earn money without doing all the heavy lifting yourself, and once you've set things up, the commissions keep coming. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips on making money online, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a way to earn big. And don't forget to check out my referral links in the description to start earning today.